One of the most important things to keep in mind when you've been charged with a DUI in Georgia is that as unsettling and upsetting and new and topsy-turvy as this new event may feel in your life, this whole process is going to be a marathon and not a sprint. That first court date is likely going to be one of very many that will be spread across the course of a year or sometimes more. What ends up happening though is when everything is new and you've been arrested, particularly if this is the first time if you've been in the system, you will feel this deep, unabating desire to fix it. When you've been charged with a criminal offense and you've spent the night in jail and you have never found yourself on that side of the law, there is this basic human desire to try to right what's been wronged. And so people want to move as quickly as possible. There's a feeling of, I need to hire an attorney this weekend before my first court date. I need to get some resolution, some closure to this as quickly as possible. Now, while you can move the process a little bit faster, the fastest way is by entering a plea, that is not necessarily the decision that is going to serve you in the long run. So emotionally, you want to make sure that you prepare yourself that this is a marathon and not a sprint, and that you're prepared to give your attorney that time to wait for the evidence to come in and make strategic and long-term decisions about the case that will serve your long-term interests, even though they may not satisfy that initial instinct to get this solved as quickly and urgently as possible.